Good morning, everyone. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on using Teams and getting to your assignments. Hopefully this will help a few people that have not been seeing assignments. There are a couple different places to look. So the first thing to do is log into Office 365, and then you are going to go to your app launcher and find Teams. Click on Teams. Give it a moment to load. Once you are in Teams, you might see your screen a different way than mine looks because it depends on your settings. But the important part to look at first is right over here, okay? So you have activities, chat, Teams, assignment, calendar, and files. Now, some of these are being used by teachers, some aren't. Where you really want to start first is by clicking on Teams to see if you have any announcements or anything. Now, you will notice on mine, I am part of OPS Tech Leaders, and so it's letting me know that there are 3 important messages. Now, for students, what you're looking for is you're looking for your classes. You may see a set of blocks across your screen where you have to scroll up and down, but you want to click on the block that has your class's name that you are checking into assignments. So let's take a quick look here. I'm going to just jump into my Introduction to Architecture class. Now, some of the teachers are posting files. Those would be here. So you'll see a general tab, then you'll see posts. I did post a message to my students. Now I have it set where my students can't reply back here because I want them to email me. It just depends on how your teacher has it set up. In your files, your teacher might have you check here. If you click on files and don't see anything, that doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. It might just be that your teacher's not using that area. Same thing with assignments. I know a lot of my students have said, well, I don't see your assignment. I'm not using the assignments tab. Some teachers are. It's just set by preference. So I don't use my assignment area. I use class notebook. So if your teacher has emailed you saying that you have assignments, but you go in this area and you don't see anything, then you're going to go here to class notebook. And any of my students, they should know to start in class notebook. All right? Now, once you're in class notebook, it might take a moment to load. Notice you see the grayed out area here and stuff slowly starts to come up. All right, once you're all fully loaded, you'll know because you will see a purple arrow. Hopefully my purple arrow will show up here momentarily. Here it is. So I'm going to click on this purple arrow. Now in my class notebook, there's a couple important areas. There is the content area or content library. And in the content library, I have made a tab called Home Resources. And in Home Resources, I'm putting the videos and things students might need for classes. But then I'm also putting in some extra stuff that might be of interest to students or to their younger siblings or family members, like touring the national parks or zoos. As I come across these, I'm adding them here. But if you need something like this week, you need Exploring Incredible Careers, I label it here, and all you have to do is click on the title, and then the videos and instructions are here. For the actual assignment that you have to do, all you have to do is go into your name, and I see everybody's name, but you will just go under your name and see where it says assignments. You'll click on that. And we had some assignments earlier in the semester. I'm labeling the home assignments just like this. Number 1, home assignment. There's career exploration. That was the first one. Then the second one, number 2, home assignment. Now, what's nice about this is that once you read the instructions and I give examples, you can actually go in and you can start typing right here underneath the instructions. It saves automatically, which means that during the week, I can go in and I can look at your pages and see if you've done the assignment. Now, I will notate that if maybe you don't have a lot of Wi-Fi bandwidth, or maybe you're sharing a device, or maybe your device is a phone, if it is easier for you to write on paper, you can write out your answer on paper, take a picture of it, post it here, or you can even email it to me. I'm also accepting assignments being emailed to me on Word. I would suggest if you're not sure how your teacher is accepting assignments, go ahead and email them. But this is one easy way to do it. If you have any further problems, please feel free to email me at kelly.arbuckle@ops.org. You will find my email address under the general posts on your Teams notebook, and it will allow you to email me. Thank you.